Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix the two flashing lights on your direct-to-film printer. Now guys, the way I'm going to be showing you in this method is really simple. Obviously, there's better ways of doing this. This is just a quick and easy way to fix it if you guys are experiencing issues and you just want to continue your production. Now, guys, the actual proper way of doing this, I'll have a full-on video coming out very soon. I'll just show you the simple method. Alright guys, so the simple method you guys can try. Just open up your direct-to-film printer, piece of paper like this. So I'll show you guys what we do. Perfect guys, and then we can close the direct-to-film printer and wait for it to close, and then we can reopen it. What this has done guys basically is that it's taken off the dust particles that are maybe on the sensor, and the dust particles have maybe fell on the ground or have gone. So it's just basically to clean, in quotation marks, the actual sensors. And also, if ever it doesn't work for you guys, you can actually take a anti-dust, antibacterial cloth that I'll have linked in description, and you can go wipe your sensors. But we'll have a full-on video coming out on how to actually do this. But this is just a simple method, and you'll see guys, we'll turn it on. We'll turn on the green button. It's gonna go slowly since it was basically doing the red lights. So very slowly at the beginning, but then we should be good. There we go guys. That's when you know it's good. Perfect. So yeah guys, that was the simple way to fix the two flashing red lights on your direct-to-film printer. If you found this video somewhat useful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.